Hello there, and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you've been sent this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from a tire rotation. When it comes to maintaining your vehicle, tire rotations often don't receive the attention they deserve. While oil changes and brake checks are frequently prioritized, rotating your tires regularly is equally crucial. Tire rotation is the practice of moving tires from one position to another on the vehicle. This ensures even tire wear and extends the life of your tires. The pattern used for rotating them largely depends on the type of tire as well as the type of drivetrain in your vehicle. Now let's look into why tire rotations are so important. Even tire wear. Tires wear differently depending on their position on the vehicle. For example, in front-wheel drive vehicles, the front tires experience more wear due to handling the majority of braking, steering, and the power. By rotating your tires, you distribute the wear more evenly across all four tires. This balance can significantly prolong the life of your tire set, saving you money in the long run. Improve vehicle performance. Evenly worn tires contribute to better vehicle handling and performance. Uneven wear can lead to vibrations, pulling to one side, or even reduced traction, especially in adverse weather conditions. By maintaining an even tread through regular rotation, your vehicle will handle more precisely and smoothly, enhancing your driving experience and safety. Enhance fuel efficiency. Tires with uneven wear patterns can cause your vehicle to work harder, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. Properly rotated tires ensure that your car drives more efficiently, potentially improving your gas mileage. In a time when fuel costs are a significant concern for many customers, this is an easy and effective way to keep fuel consumption in check. Extended tire life. Replacing tires can be a costly affair. Regular tire rotations help extend the life of your tires by promoting even wear. Cost savings. Preventative maintenance like tire rotations is generally more cost-effective than reactive maintenance. By routinely rotating your tires, you can avoid uneven wear patterns that lead to premature tire replacement. Additionally, well-maintained tires can help prevent other issues such as alignment problems and suspension wear, further saving you on potential repair costs. And safety. Safety is paramount when it comes to driving, and tires play a critical role in your vehicle's safety profile. Tires that are evenly worn provide better traction, especially in wet or slippery conditions, reducing the risk of accidents. Regular rotations ensure that your tires wear evenly, maintaining optimal tread depth and enhancing your vehicle's grip on the road. What are the recommended intervals for tire rotations? Generally every 10,000 kilometers or about 6 months. Granted, if you have an additional set of tires for summer and winter use, then this rule might not be as hard stressed to you, as you do a pseudo-rotate anytime you get those tires swapped on or off. Tire rotations are a simple yet essential aspect of vehicle maintenance and should not be overlooked. By promoting even tire wear, improving performance, enhancing fuel efficiency, and extending tire life, not to mention cost savings and safety, regular tire rotations can make a significant difference in your driving experience and vehicle longevity. If you would like us to move ahead with a tire rotation, please let us know right away. And if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call and we'd be happy to answer them. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon.